Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over the fact that the SEC did just approve a Bitcoin spot ETF, and the market is reacting in a very positive manner to this news. But the thing is, Bitcoin right now is at a major resistance level here at $48,000. So are we going to reject from here and pull back and have that big shakeout, or will we continue to pump and possibly even go up and test that all-time high at $69,000? That is what I will be discussing in today's video. I'll also be taking a look at a few of my top altcoins to have on your radar for this 2024 crypto bull market that may extend into 2025. Nonetheless, if this does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. It's time to get into it and let the gains be with you. So first things first, right now Bitcoin is trading for $48,000. The overall cryptocurrency market cap is $1.9 trillion. Bitcoin is getting very close to that $1 trillion market cap once again. And the market is really loving the fact that the SEC did approve the Bitcoin spot ETFs for trading in the United States. Now the market in the US did just open. This is the first trading day that the ETFs have been approved, and initially we saw a spike up right up to $49,000 for Bitcoin, and that is because money is flowing into these spot ETFs. As we can see from this tweet here from Tier 10K, 42 minutes ago, the ETF total trading volume hit $1 billion, and then just shortly after, around 30 minutes later, it hit $2.3 billion for trading volume for these spot ETFs. Okay, so a lot of buying pressure is coming into the market, and again, the market is absolutely loving this news. But are we going to reject from this resistance, or will we actually go ahead and pump and possibly get up to 55, 60K here in the coming days to weeks? Well, let's actually discuss that right now. So it is important to note that for 2023, remember it's 2024 now, but in January of 2023, I said that Bitcoin would hit $44,000 to $45,000. And that was basically the exact top for the year. It took 12 months to happen, but that prediction did come true. Now let's go ahead and see if we can forecast the future for what's going to happen here in the coming weeks to months for Bitcoin. So we do have this previous consolidation area from 44K down to $40,000. If we do end up rejecting, we really want to see these lows at around 40K hold. But nonetheless, I'm going to clean this chart up and we're going to zoom out to do some analysis on what may be playing out here. So if we take a look at Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame, I'm going to draw a Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high because we are at a critical level. So from the absolute bear market bottom at $15,460 to the previous top at 69K, as we can see, right now we are at exactly at the golden ratio at 61.8, the 61.8% retracement. All right, so this is a key resistance level, and this level does have historical significance because what we can do is we can do the same exact thing that I just did here for the 2018 bear market. So if we go ahead and we go back in time to over here and we take the lows from 2018, as you see, I attach my fib to the lows, bring it up to that previous cycle top at $19,891. Well, what actually happened in 2019 was this bear market rally, price went all the way up to where? That 61.8% retracement, all right? Exactly where we are now, the equivalent level on the chart in the cycle, all right? And what happened from here was we started to trend downwards. Really, I would call this reaccumulation, right? We get rejected, whales sell here, price drops lower, right? Whales start to reaccumulate, and then we go on a crazy bull market that lasts around 2 years. All right, but again, we are at the equivalent level in this current cycle, right? All we did here was we took the bear market low, brought it up to that previous cycle top, and if we do the same exact thing here, let's just clean this up. If we do the same exact thing here, when we grab that bear market low and we drag it up to that previous cycle top, we are at that golden pocket, 61.8% retracement. So the big and obvious question is right now, are we going to repeat what happened in the last cycle and go ahead and roll over from this level and have a significant pullback, or will we continue to blast into new highs or new yearly highs and then test that all-time high at 69K? The truth is that nobody has the answer to this question. However, we do have to be wary of some kind of shakeout right now. It is definitely smarter to err on the side of caution with the way things do stand. Now, it is possible that the Bitcoin price does push above 50K, and we make it around somewhere in the mid 50s, like $55,000. That is possible, but nonetheless, I still wouldn't be overly bullish and optimistic here. Look, my spot bags are packed. They've been packed for months. I've been trading the market at a very successful rate recently. But nonetheless, it's still not a time to get ahead of ourselves and start counting our chickens before they do hatch. So what I would say at this current moment in time is that the trend is your friend until the very end. And right now the trend is still up, okay? So we still want to be on the bull side, but we do want to watch for signs of reversal. All right, so if we start to see some kind of signs, some kind of callings that a local top may be in, well, then we can just simply prepare for some kind of big shakeout, some kind of big retracement. But again, as it does stand right now, the trend is your friend until the very end, and the trend is bullish, the trend is up. We have billions of dollars coming into the market, so it's a very exciting time. This Bitcoin Spot ETF is 10 years in the making, and it did finally get approved. Here we are, 2024. The big boys are here, the suits are here. It does go against the ethos of cryptocurrency, of a peer-to-peer digital cash system, right? Bitcoin has been compromised. It's not what it used to be, but hey, at least they are pumping our bags and potentially giving us the biggest bull run that we have ever seen. This is an institutional driven bull market. And again, we just haven't seen anything like this in the past. Now the narrative has shifted to Ethereum. As we can see, Ethereum is pumping, and Ethereum beta assets like Ethereum name service, Maker, one of the biggest DeFi protocols on Ethereum, LDO, Lido also pumping, as we can see here. And even Ethereum Classic ETC is an absolute ripper over the past 2-3 days. So the Ethereum ecosystem is booming. Also Arbitrum, if you take a look at ARB here, ARB breaking out, it hit $2.39. So Ethereum beta coins are absolutely flying right now. ETH is flying. If Bitcoin does cool off, maybe we do see Ethereum start to play catch up, because Ethereum has been severely lagging behind Bitcoin for quite some time now. For example, if we take the lows on ETH and drag them up to the high, the previous cycle top, right? The golden pocket on ETH is all the way up here at $3,300. Right, so ETH has a lot of catching up to do. Maybe Ethereum does end up taking the lead right now. Keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on the Ethereum ecosystem coins. There may be a lot of very juicy trade opportunities on a lot of the assets that I just mentioned, like Arbitrum, LDO, Ethereum name service, Ethereum Classic, etc. These things could catch a bid and continue to pump and outperform in the coming days to weeks. So just something to keep an eye on if you are actively trading this market. But as I said, the spot bags are absolutely packed to the brim for what is to come here in 2024 and 2025. Now, one project that is being slept on a lot, that does not get a lot of love or attention whatsoever, is AZERO, right? And right now, AZERO, if we take a look at the market cap, it is quite low still, right? $383 million, around 400 mil, all right? So AZERO does have potential to pull some crazy numbers in this bull cycle. Remember, Solana went to around 80 bill in the bull run last cycle. Cardano went to around 90, 100 bill. Right now, AZERO at around a 400 mil market cap. It has a lot of big growth potential ahead of it. And I'm bringing it to your attention right now because of this weekly price chart. And very simply put, once we do flip this red zone, I'm expecting it to really start to pump and fly. Go ahead and test the all-time high at $3 and then go ahead and break it. Okay, so while AZERO is still below this red supply area at around $1.90 down to around $1.50, in my opinion, it's still a fantastic buy. When it does break this level and start to march higher, I do not see it coming back down into these levels until the next bear market realistically. So definitely, if you are not in AZERO yet or you've never done any research on it, and you're looking for good altcoins that are still undervalued, that haven't really started to move yet, AZERO should be at the top of your list. One other altcoin that has performed extremely well for us here at Crypto Empire is Tectum, right? We got into Tectum in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord here at around $10. It dropped to around $8. And recently, over the past few weeks, it has exploded by a few multiples. As we can see here, it is up 344% from around $9, right? And that's right around the average entry of myself. So anyways, another huge dub here at Crypto Empire, Tectum, right? I'm bullish on the Bitcoin ecosystem, and Tectum is one of the top scaling solutions for Bitcoin, along with Microvision Chain Space and their lagging altcoin. But nonetheless, Congratulations to everybody who caught this tectum pump. We were early before everybody started talking about it. As usual, this is Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. Regardless, I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. We did it. The Bitcoin Spot ETF is approved. Next up is Ethereum. There will be a large cap, market cap ETF basket for projects like Chainlink, Solana, and maybe a few others as well. I do think that will happen for sure this cycle. So there will be new narratives that are going to be popping up. But again, Bitcoin is at a critical resistance level. So don't get overly bullish and just go ahead and do something irresponsible. Regardless, I hope that you did enjoy this video. Smash that like button if you did. So in this video, we talked about the Bitcoin Spot ETF approval by the SEC in the United States of America. Very bullish times indeed. But we took a look at that Bitcoin price chart, and we did notice on the weekly time frame how we are at a critical area of resistance. These next few days to weeks, this weekly close in particular is going to be very telling for us. We'll see if we can break out above that golden pocket and push to those all-time highs at around 69K, or if we do get rejected and we get a shakeout from here. Regardless, be prepared for whatever outcome does happen. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you are not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.